So this is my old Redmi Note 4 and I have installed Android 16 QPR2 in it. I have installed LineageOS 23.2 which is based on Android 16 as you can see in the video, and it has so many features. For example, private space. The ROM is based on 4.19 kernel and seems very stable. It performs very well. And it is a vanilla ROM, but you can install NikGapps using the recovery. You can also flash Magisk APK as zip and you will get root access as well. As you can see, it has all the customization features of Android 16 QPR2. The camera quality looks like stock as well. The picture quality is good and the video quality is fine. As I said, it is a vanilla ROM and you can flash NikGapps to get Google Play services. I will provide the link of the ROM and Google Play services as well as the recovery in the description. As you can see, I have flashed Magisk and you have to reinstall Magisk from the APK after flashing it for the first time. The ROM has pure black theme as well, and it has working private space and all the security features, for example fingerprint and face unlock is also working. And the free storage in this ROM is also very surprising. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.